All right, we're about to do a blind taste test. I'm about to tell y'all what's in here, just so you know. Okay? So we starting. Come a little closer, okay? So we got an old fashioned, okay? Right here we got soy sauce. And here we have a piece of a carrot. And here we got some thyme, got some ginger, sriracha, grapefruit, brown sugar, garlic, fortune cookie butter, green onions, mozzarella cheese, cilantro, and mayo. Let's see if she gets them all. Let's see if she gets them all. So right now we're gonna do the blind taste test, all right?
Okay.
So we're gonna do this blind taste test on Jude. We're gonna put a little mask on her.
Where's Mama?
Okay. So y'all already know what's in front of us here, but she does not, even though I think she was eavesdropping on me, hearing some things. So, pick a letter out the alphabet. Let me see which one I'm gonna start with. Pick a letter out the alphabet.
J.
All right, cool. I have nothing with a J here, so I'll just start. All right, take this, taste it, and let me know what it is.
Thyme.
See, that was her eavesdropping. She thought, no, it's not.
So this is what thyme tastes like.
That's what thyme tastes like? I don't.
What?
But, okay, you wanna know what it is?
It's basil.
Ooh, I thought you almost had it. Close, no. I'll give you one more guess. It's herbaceous. It's usually used as a garnish.
Parsley?
Parsley!
Damn. How did I not get that?
That was parsley. All right. Tosses that parsley to the side
smoked a
because
joint before this
she's
thing.
She's over this thing. All right, so with this one, I'm gonna pass it to you. Don't just throw it in your mouth. Well, you clearly are pretty cautious, so you just use this, do it sparingly, precautiously, and then tell us what it is. Not the feeling.
Ginger.
Easy. Come on now, that's some ginger.
I like that burn.
All right, here you go, next one.
Woo.
You ready? You want some water? Mm-mm. Okay, cool. Open your hand for me. All right, giving you this one in the palm of your hand. That one, if you want to put the whole thing in your mouth, you can. It's safe. It's safe like that.
Sugar?
What kind of sugar?
Brown?
Light or dark?
Light?
No! Come on, let's go! Light brown sugar it is. Good job. All right.
Okay.
So let's go to our next one. Now passing you a shot glass. I'm gonna give you a precaution again. Just don't gulp it. Don't throw it back. Take a little tasty taste. All right. Here you go. You got this. I believe in you. All right. Smelling. That's always a good first step when you're tasting something because your taste and your smell are directly connected. Let's see. Let's see if she gets this.
Soy sauce.
That's it. Let's go. Never not knowing what it tastes like. You want water yet? You let me know whenever you want some water to clean your palate. All right. Can we pass that water right there for her to take a little swiggity swag, a little swing swag swow, a little squadaddle. There you go. It's not open. We ain't open it for you. She can't find her mouth. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, shit.
Okay.
All right, okay, we'll keep that right to the side of you. All right, next one. You ready? There you go.
They gotta pay for that.
Right, facts. Right, trying to do a little sniff again. A little bite. Another bite. All right. Bust the whole thing down, Tatiana.
That's a carrot.
That's a carrot. What took you so long for that one?
Because I don't know. I was thinking, I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know if it's because I smoked the joint, but I was thinking celery.
Oh.
Obviously, celery is a totally different texture and stuff, but the word celery just kept, but I knew it was probably because I was going to a C.
Right, right. Okay, so here's your next one. Great job. You making it though. You making it though. All right, there you go.
This feels weird. What is it?
Don't be afraid.
You wouldn't give me nothing weird, right? Like,
Nah, no, like frog balls or something. Nah, I ain't gonna do you like that.
This is basil?
Nope.
No, is it thyme?
It is time. There it is. Okay. We got it. All right, so we're gonna go for the next one. You're doing good. I want to tell you that.
I'm actually impressed right now.
I want to tell you that because I can tell that you're really thinking about these things. All right, handing you your next one. There you go. It's juicy.
Tangerine.
No, we're going to try it again.
What is it?
Not a tangerine.
An orange? No. It's fuck.
Take another bite. Take another bite.
It's more sour. Why am I not thinking?
Fucking it up though. Okay.
I can't think of the word right now for some reason.
All right. If you want to call it, I can just tell you. Want me to just tell you? Mm-hmm. Grapefruit.
Wow, that's right.
Yeah. Right. It all makes sense once you get there.
You know what's crazy? It doesn't make sense because usually I hate grapefruit.
Oh, really? Oh, and you busting that, and you like,
Yeah.
this tastes good?
Yeah,
Maybe
right
because
now
you
I'm
don't know what it is, and it just is. Maybe.
This was a great experiment. I learned something today.
You like
I'm gonna put that
grapefruit?
down. Yeah, it's
All
good.
right, let's get
I
it.
never knew I liked grapefruit.
It's organic. All right, you ready for your next joint? Mm-hmm. All right, here we go. Here we go. You got this. I believe it
This is an onion.
Okay, what kind?
Green.
Oh, green onion. Had that early. Okay. All right, we're moving on. You ready?
I love onions.
You love onion? Yeah, you fucked that up. Here, let me give you the rest.
No.
Oh,
okay.
you good? All right, here's the next one. Did you want to just spit that out?
It's ginger. I mean, I'm sorry, fucking garlic.
Garlic. It is garlic. Not the fucking garlic. You cursed that
Sorry,
garlic
I gotta
out.
stop cursing. My friend just told me that.
Listen, well, I don't really, but okay. Passing you another thing.
I do because I don't want my daughter to speak like this.
Okay. Well, when she get older, I just need you to. Hey, child, you gonna take the spoon?
What is it?
Okay, it's a spoon. Don't touch that part because it has it has something on it. So just bring it to your mouth like, you know,
Should I
nice
take
and
the
slow.
whole spoon? Do I take the whole spoon?
No, just test it. Just test the tip. You know what I mean.
Is that mayonnaise?
Let's go. All right, let's go for another one. This is gonna be very interesting for you, okay? Because I don't know if you're gonna know what this is. Here you go, nothing weird. Let's see. This is exciting. I'm really proud of you. I'm like, damn, I need to do it to see if I know stuff. All right, what is that? It's a type of thing.
It's a dried apple.
I can see why you could think that. It's not. It's a cooked thing. This is a hard one, actually. This is a hard one.
Can I have more?
Yeah. I gave you a piece that makes you feel what the thing is.
Fortune cookie?
Hey! Wow! Good job!
Wow, it's crazy how it kind of did taste like dried apple for a second.
It did. When I put it in my mouth, I was like, this do feel like the texture, you know? It's that texture life. Wow! All right, another spoon coming your way.
Oh my God.
One more left. This is your favorite thing. Here's a spoon. So.
Did we put the spaghetti in the pot?
We ain't put the spaghetti because the water's still boiling.
You gotta be kidding me.
I know.
Do we gotta move it to a different what the fuck is this?
I feel like this is one of your favorite things. What do you mean?
Hot sauce.
What kind of hot sauce?
A hot one. Not Tabasco.
Nah, we hate Tabasco. Tabasco's more vinegary.
Yeah.
I give you one more guess. It's a popular hot sauce too. I give you a hint.
I'm stoned.
Don't get too close.
Okay.
So funny when you don't have your eyes, what you do.
I don't feel safe with this hot sauce in my hand right now. Take it out my hand.
Okay. This is sriracha.
Obviously.
Right? Don't you like sriracha?
Yeah, I don't know how I didn't think of that.
Wow. Okay, last spoon. This is a nice little treat for the end. There you go. Let's see if you know what this is.
Those are good.
That's good. Not to shift to the other hand, like, hold on now. I'm about to fuck this up.
Tastes like graham cracker.
Good. You want me to tell you what it is?
It's not graham cracker mushed up?
No. Nah, it's not graham cracker mushed up.
What is it?
It's a cookie butter. Biscoff cookie butter.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it's probably what they make graham crackers with.
But graham crackers are a different brand. So, like, it's like potato chips. You say Lay's and Pringles.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
Those are really good.
right? That's popping. I told you it was gonna be a little treat. Now, do you like mixed cocktails?
I do.
Okay, so do you think if you tasted a mixed cocktail that you would know what cocktail it is?
I mean, probably not because I always get the same one everywhere I go.
What do you get the same? What's your favorite one?
A spicy margarita.
Okay, take the blindfold off then. Good job!
That was fun. Let me
Right?
throw that little cookie butter. That was
made you a little old-fashioned
It's really weird doing
doing it blindfolded, right?
Yeah.